Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from coordinate geometry of 10th class. The question is, the midpoint P of line segment joining the points A, B, minus 10, 4, 2, 0 lies on the line segment joining the points C and D. Find the ratio in which P divides CD and value of Y, which is in the coordinates of D. We have to find. Okay. So what is midpoint? Midpoint of AB equals to, what is the formula actually? Midpoint formula what? X1 plus X2 by 2 comma Y1 plus Y2 by 2. So here A is minus 10 by 4, which is X1 Y1, and B is minus 2 comma 0, which is X2 Y2, right? Therefore x1 plus x2 by 2 means minus 10 minus 2 by 2 comma 4 plus 0 by 2, which is equals to minus 12 by 2 comma 4 by 2, which is equals to minus 6 comma 2. This is equals to P, right? And this point P is lies within the line CD. Yes. So that means, say for example, the midpoint of a line segment, one line segment is there like this. This is the midpoint if we take, and this midpoint is lies on the other line like this, right? Take this as AB and this as CD. Okay, this is the midpoint minus 6 comma 2 we got. This is P. Now this line is lies on CD, right? So using this point, the D, in the D coordinate you are not having the y coordinate. Okay, I am taking this as A. Let us change it to A. Okay, so that means if you substitute the equation, if the substitute this point in the equation CD, you will get the value of y, and by using the m is to n ratio you can find the this point how much it is divided this line. Okay, so let us find that. See what are the minus 9 comma minus 4, and D is minus 4 comma A I took. Now let us find the value of A. Otherwise you can directly find A by, no. Okay, let us find A first. Here equations of line using 2 points is given by y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is equals to x minus x1 into y2 minus y1. Okay, here x1 minus 9 y1 minus 4 x2 minus 4 y2 a, right? So first let us form the equation. What you will get? Y minus y1 is minus 4, so y plus 4 into x2 minus x1. So minus 4 plus 9 is equals to x minus, what is x1? Minus 9, so you will get x plus 9 into y2 is a minus of minus 4 plus 4. Okay, which implies y plus 4 into this, what you will get 5 equal to x plus 9 into a plus 4. Now let us elaborate this. 5y plus 20 is equals to ax plus 4x plus 9a plus 36, right? Which implies 5y plus 20 is equals to, in these two x common, so a plus 4 will be remains if you take the x common, plus 9a plus 36, which implies a plus 4x bring this to the other side. Minus 5y, okay, plus 9a plus 36, this becomes minus 20 equals to 0. Now which implies a plus 4 into x minus 5y plus 9a plus 36 minus 20. How much you will get? Plus 16, right? Which is equals to 0. But here we know the point minus 6 comma 2, point P, which satisfies this equation, as the point P lies on the line, on the above line. It satisfies that line. That means if we substitute P minus 6 comma 2 in the above equation, we get value of A. So A plus 4 into minus 6, here x equals to minus 6, y is equals to 2. Okay, minus 5 into 2 plus 9a plus 16 equals to 0. Now what you will get? A plus 4 minus 6 minus 5 into 2 plus 9a plus 16 equals to 0. No? Now let us simplify this. Minus 6a minus 24 minus 10 plus 9a plus 16 equals to 0. Minus 6a plus 9a, you will get 3a. Minus 24 minus 10 minus 34. Minus 34 plus 16, what you will get? 18. So minus 18 equals to 0, which implies 3a equals to plus 18, which implies a equals to 18 by 3, which is equals to 6. Therefore a is equals to 6. In question, a is y. Therefore y is equals to 6. Okay, now what we have to find? Now let us find, the ratio that the point P divides the line CD, right? So what is the formula? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by n plus n. See here, if you see the figure, you can say it is and also it is on the line. It is not out of the line, it is on the line, but it is not exactly the midpoint. So we can take the formula plus. If it is in intersecting, means the point is out of the line, that is extended part, you are having this point in the extended part, then you have to take here minus. But here it is internally dividing the line CD, so you have to take plus in between. Okay, so here mn we don't know, sorry, okay, m, wait, which is equals to minus 9 comma, sorry, minus 6 comma 2 ma. Okay, here x1 x2 x1 equals to minus 9, y1 equals to minus 4, x2 equals to minus 4, y2 equals to this one 6. Okay, now substitute m into x2 minus 4 plus n x1 plus n into x1 by m plus n, comma, m into y2 is 6 plus n into minus 4 by m plus n. This is equals to minus 6 and this is equals to 2. Okay, which implies this is minus 4m minus 9m, and bring this m plus 1 n to other side, that is minus 6 of m plus n. In this no need, if you solve this you will get the m is to n ratio. So instead of doing this you can only do this and leave it, which implies minus 4m minus 9n equals to minus 6m minus 6n, which implies what you will get, 4m plus 9n equals to 6m plus 6n, which implies 9n minus 6n equals to 6m minus 4m. 9 minus 6 is 3n equals to 6 minus 4 is 2m. Now 3 by 2 equals to m by n. Therefore m is to n equals to 3 is to 2. Therefore the point P minus 6 comma 2 divides line CD in the ratio 3 is to 2. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.